Guys, guess where I am? I'm standing at the top of a penthouse in Las Vegas. And right now it is about half an hour after I just drove for the first time in the US. And I wasn't just driving any car, I drove a freaking Cybertruck. So things are a little bit crazy, but we're here for ComplexCon. We're staying Saturday and Sunday, and we've got some crazy stuff that we're gonna go through. I know Travis Scott is dropping a pair of shoes, but the main agenda is Nike's brand new 3D printed sneaker, which we're gonna get first looks at. And obviously this is all thanks to the CEO of Zellerfeld, who we're actually in his penthouse right now. He just brought me here, and now we're gonna go and take a look at the sneakers, and then we're gonna hit up ComplexCon. Things are pretty crazy. I just touched down in Vegas. That is right, we are in Las Vegas. We're at the airport, it's like 8:30, and we're trying to find a Cybertruck. You'll see why. Brother! Woo. Woo.
I think we got enough space.
This is crazy.
You want to drive?
I'll drive.
Harry, you have to...
the Cybertruck. What is going on? Alright, so just remind me, we're driving on the left side of the road, right?
Oh shit.
I honestly never thought I would drive a Cybertruck.
Now you do.
And you've just made that happen as soon as I fucking touched down.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, I don't trust it there. We're gonna get a little tour from Cornelius. I'm just kind of glad that we survived the Cybertruck journey. That was pretty wild. Okay, now we really in a music video, huh? What the fuck? All right, well, I think we made it to the Las Vegas Convention Center, which I believe is where ComplexCon is. All right, we are in the queue, which is pretty big, but we are like, what, almost 2 hours late. See what's going on inside. Main objective is to find those Zellerfeld Nikes, have a little look at them. And then I think Travis Scott is doing some big things over this weekend, so he's performing tomorrow. We're probably gonna go to that. Wow, okay, so they've got like a whole history thing where we're going through all of the air units. Wow.
In December of 1969, I had 4 inventions that I wanted to develop.
Yo, so these are all the samples of the shoe before they actually made it. This is probably one of the first ones where it feels almost like candy floss. And these are probably like the small little plastic ones. Crazy. Next sample. This time they decided to Sharpie on a logo. A little bit close. Whoa, that's a heavy one. And this is very close, but also that's very heavy. So this is what's inside. All the cross sections, and you squeeze it down. So that's what the cushion is, and then you've got the air unit inside there. Same thing over here. You can see this is what's inside the shoe.
Your bedroom.
Now, one piece I left out is that before I left the penthouse, Cornelius surprised me with a pair of the Airmax 1000 to test out.
Oh shit, this is set up.
So what are you shooting here?
Halo tomorrow morning. And not tomorrow morning, tomorrow during the day. But you can also sleep here.
What is this?
Yeah, those are the shoes for you to test.
You've got the fucking Nikes here.
Yeah, those are mine. So not those.
Okay. What?
Yeah.
Oh, I got the Pumas.
Yeah, for you to compare. Because they're also shit.
Okay, and then I got the Adidas ones.
Yeah.
That's fucking perfect.
Yeah.
This is actually crazy.
How are you? Have you guys ever met?
Good, man. No, we haven't.
Hey, bro.
Yo, how's it going, man? It was good to meet you.
Oh shit, it's Seth. I didn't even see you, bro. What?
It was good to meet you, man.
How you doing, man? I'm actually like fucking overwhelmed right now. I just drove a Cybertruck here.
Wait, really?
Never driven in the US.
That's crazy.
Like,
that's sick.
yeah, and then we turn up to this fucking penthouse. Never been here like to anything like this. So that's what I've been doing. I've been wearing them around, working out in them, and I've got some thoughts. And that's a wrap on SneakerCon. So we got to see these bad boys, and there's quite a few things that I didn't know going into this. I mean, it seems pretty crazy that I actually managed to get my hands on these things. Thank you, Cornelius, for giving me this pair. The whole booth that was set up that they had at ComplexCon for this sneaker, basically had to sign up, and then you can go through this entire experience where they show all of like the different samples of creating this pair of shoes, the history of Airmax, and how the Airmax 1 started it all. And then as you continue, you walk into this basically like a gambling room. Obviously it's like Vegas themed, so you go and you like press a button and you see if you win a pair of shoes. Now the craziest thing, and I'm telling you, this is not because I have any connection to Zellerfeld or anything like that, it's completely random, but I actually won a pair. What I found out was that they ship it out to you. So you put in like your address and everything, and then they ship it out once they've printed it. So that was a really like crazy, unique experience, and I thought people were actually winning them on the spot at ComplexCon. Turns out they're just shipping them out. So I thought like more people would have these things, but here it is. This is the Nike Airmax 1000, and it's a pretty insane pair of shoes. For Nike to jump on the 3D printed wave is pretty incredible, and you know, if Nike is doing it, they're doing it right. And the way that they've done this is pretty interesting. It's all one material, but it's also different types of textures. You've got like a more solid outsole, which feels, you know, like something you would walk on. You've got an air unit in here, which we've obviously never seen with a 3D printed shoe. You do feel it a lot more than a regular Air Max shoe underfoot, which is also pretty interesting. And then the top of the shoe is like two different materials. You've got like a smooth 3D printed material, and then you've got like this mesh one, super soft. I don't know if these things are ever gonna get a GR release. They only dropped, I think, 1,000 exclusively at ComplexCon, but they wouldn't go through this entire design process to only drop 1,000. I believe there's gonna be more GR releases in the future. And if there is, what do you think about the Air Max 1000? Do you think like this is the natural progression of the future of Air Max sneakers? Are they all gonna be 3D printed? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, but I've been wearing these things around for a half a day, and they feel very, very comfortable. They're nice and lightweight. This just does not feel like any other Nike shoe you have ever tried, and that goes for like some of their foam shoes that they've done, obviously a lot of their sneakers with a different cushioning technology. This feels completely different. Even cooler comparison is I got the Adidas ones, but this is the Climacool 24, and this honestly feels a little bit more like what you would expect a 3D printed shoe to feel like. Like it's a little bit stiffer. It's made from completely different material. It's not as soft as this one. It just doesn't really feel like a complete pair of shoes, like a finished product. They do feel pretty comfortable on foot. This seems like a lot more technical, and obviously because you have an air unit in there, that's very signature to Nike, and I thought that that was a pretty interesting move. But yeah, the Air Max 1000, bottom line is, it's a pretty crazy pair of shoes, and it feels very comfortable, and I do hope that they do a GR release. But I wanted to show you guys, I wanted to take you along for the experience of ComplexCon. Being in Vegas, it's pretty insane, and I just thought it's so cool that I got to try these things out for the first time. Air Max 1000, guys, let me know down in the comment section, what do you think of these? Would you buy them, and would you wear them?